Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change time Volkswagen Jetta full guide. Begin by turning the ignition to accessory and identifying whether your Jetta uses dash buttons or the touchscreen clock menu. If you have dash buttons, press and hold the clock button, then use hour and minute controls. For touchscreen models, open settings, select clock, then adjust hours and minutes. Finish by confirming the time and cycling ignition to verify the change. Start with the simple dash button method if your Jetta has physical controls, holding the clock button until digits flash. Rotate the hour control to set hours, then press minute and adjust accordingly. For infotainment units, navigate to settings, then clock, and use on-screen sliders or plus and minus buttons. Always hit save or set to lock the time, then switch the ignition off and on to confirm the settings remain correct. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated while working on your Jetta and fits neatly in cup holders, making those long adjustments more comfortable. Check the description for the link to the bottle and other deals, and if you want similar recommendations, I will include more. Now let's get back to the video. If the clock keeps resetting, begin by checking the vehicle battery and terminal connections for stability. Consult the owner manual for variations across Jetta trims and infotainment versions to ensure you follow correct menu paths. If touchscreen controls freeze, try a soft reboot of the infotainment system before attempting adjustments again. When all else fails, a dealer or certified technician can diagnose deeper electrical or software issues safely and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.